was that? This one. Right, now let's see. See, sagar@live.com is invalid. Only gmail.com emails are allowed. Okay, so that's where the use of match comes in, like to validate something, to check for something. Okay, so that is our match. So the next one is replace. Okay, so we'll see where replace is used. So let's say I'll take a sentence. Okay, some sentence. Again, let's go back to our blog. So this time, yeah, here. Okay, so this is our sentence here. Well, when you are young and can learn a lot, wasting time is the last. So what I want to do is, like, wherever there is time, I want to make it highlighted. Okay, so I'll say where search for time, where replace with. I want to highlight. Okay, so what I do is, I'll say here I want to replace it with span style equal to. You see, I can put single quotes inside double quotes and double quotes inside single quotes. Okay, but I cannot put single quotes inside single quotes and double quotes inside double quotes. I can do the opposite. Whereas, like, I can put single quotes inside double quotes. Okay, so background is, let's take a pink color, 666. I don't know what 666 is. A span. So I want that to be replaced, okay, with our highlighted search for. Okay, now here I will print it. Print sentence dot replace. So the first one is search for, then replace with. Okay, so first I will print that sentence without any modifications. Okay, I'll just comment out these things here, so you will just see what's happening over there. So I'll comment it. So refresh. So this is a string. Now wherever there is time, say there is time here, I want to highlight it. So what I do, I put my needle over there, told them, like, search this and replace it with this. Let's see. Oh, it did not replace everywhere. Okay, the first occurrence. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Maybe, let me see. No, the first occurrence only. Oops, my bad. So yeah, the first occurrence only. So now this time I'll say, what can we do here? And I'll change the color to, let's say, okay, the first occurrence. I'm sorry, it's not the whole thing. Just got confused with our PHP. PHP does have that feature, but as this is the first occurrence, like, the first occurrence only has been found, and it has, it replaced it with it. Okay, instead of time, let's say, instead of highlighting it, let's change the whole word itself. Like I want to replace time with uh, let's say Tutoslive. Okay, I want to change time with Tutoslive. Now you can see here the first instance has been changed to Tutoslive, and time remains the same everywhere out there. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do this as an assignment. Fine. So I'll leave something for you guys. Like you guys have to decide, do this programming wherein you have to highlight everything. Wherever there is time, you have to highlight it. So this is an exam, another assignment for you guys. Okay, just not just this, everywhere. Even if it's case sensitive, it has to highlight it. So it's your job, your job, guys. I'll give hints too. Fine. So replace is done. Then substr. So I'll say print. I won't show you a real-time example here. Substr. So substr index should be given, right? So let's just find the index of sum. Okay. So I'll say sentence dot index of, let's say, find index of sum, and from there, okay, pick me some 30 characters, let's say. I want to replace it everywhere. It's your duty. Let's say you can do that. I'll tell you how to do that too. So I want it to be replaced everywhere. I want to highlight time wherever it is found. Okay, so substr, all I need is like, see, 30 characters from sum. So instead of br, let me give hr over there. Kind of, right, this is better. So I want to print some line breaks too.